Okay, if you're not gonna talk, that's fine. You can't go back in the post office, okay? You can't record it, it's a federal law, okay? It states right in there, it's posted.
What are you gonna do to me if I'm in there?
Get me taken to jail.
Yeah. Can I get your ID? I need some ID.
You're not getting
I need
my
more
ID.
ID. Can I get some ID? Right here you got your Poster 7, Rules and Regulations Governing Conduct on Postal Service Property. And right here, photographs for news, advertising, or commercial purposes is permitted. We'll see if this post office in West Toledo follows their rules and regulations.
Are you recording anything, sir?
I'm just following your Poster 7 rules and regulations. Photographs for news and advertising purposes is okay. I'm going to get some stamps and then I'm going to be on my way, get a few more pictures, and I'll be on my way. I'm not getting anybody's personal information.
Something about it, but it's a federal building.
Yeah, it's okay. It's on your Poster 7.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the last one.
Okay, thank you.
1 second.
Oh my God. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay, so it's in the entire library now.
Okay.
So you just want some stamps?
Yeah, if I could get some stamps. And I actually, what I do is I take pictures of different post offices. I travel around the country and I collect stamps as well. So I just take some different pictures of the different post offices, and
Okay.
I'd like to record my interactions with public
Sir,
employees.
you need to take that out of the building, please.
You familiar with Poster 7?
Sir, you have to take the camera out of the building.
Why?
Thank you. It's a violation of postal policy.
It's Poster
Sir?
7. It says it's permitted.
I need you to remove yourself before I call the police.
The camera, or remove myself?
The camera.
The camera.
The camera.
So it's just about the camera. It's not about me.
Correct. Take your camera
It's about
out.
the recording, yes, sir.
Well, let me get my stamps.
What kind of stamps would you like?
I'd
No,
like.
if he's recording, no, leave.
Are you recording? What did
I
you
am
say?
recording.
Okay, you gotta go then.
I'm following your postal.
Sir, you've gotta leave.
You're not following your poster. Get the postmaster out here.
I am the postmaster.
What's your name?
My name is Lisa, and you have to leave.
Because I'm filing a complaint on you.
Have a good
You're
day.
getting a complaint because you're not following your rules and
Have a good
regulations.
day.
Are you
Goodbye.
refusing to service me stamps?
I'm getting ready to call 911.
So why don't you put your camera down and then I can serve you?
I'm just following your rules and regulations of Poster 7,
But
that's
you were
all.
asked to put it down. Do you need one stamp?
Simona, no. He's gotta go.
I'm following your rules and regulations of Poster 7.
Okay, my boss asked, I cannot help you.
You can't, you're refusing to serve me then.
Yeah, like this. The recording is not one of our regulation over here. We can help you when you.
Are you familiar with Poster 7, rules and regulations?
What?
Are you familiar with Poster 7? The rules that govern your
I'm
conduct?
familiar that nobody is allowed to record at the post office. That's what I'm familiar.
Well, it says, can I show you on your Poster 7 where it says it's okay? Would you mind taking a look at it? Hey guys, so these tyrants here, they won't service me. They're not following their rules and regulations. Right here it says photographs for news, advertising, or commercial purposes. They refuse to serve me here, guys. Hey guys, United States Post Office, West Toledo Station, Toledo, Ohio. Major fail. Here we go, guys.
Don't be scared.
Go, guys. Toledo Police Unit 144 on scene. Not serving we the people, they're here to serve the state. They're here to serve the state.
Going, sir. How's it going? How are you doing today? Okay, you're not gonna talk, that's fine. You can't go back in the post office, okay? You can't record it, it's a federal law, okay? It states right in there, it's posted. If you wanna put the cameras away and go look at the post, and you go right ahead, okay? Postmaster does not want you back inside at all, okay? Don't block their drives, please.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Sure can, here you go.
How about you?
Yep, I'll write it on there.
Name and badge number?
Yep.
So you guys are failing to honor your oath then. You're not. Poster 7 says we are allowed for photographs, news, and advertising
Not
purposes.
inside there.
Yes,
Out here?
it is.
Out here you can do all you want.
Yes, we are inside there.
You can't. It's
you
a
are
federal law.
absolutely wrong, and you will get a complaint. You'll get a complaint.
Please do.
And so will you.
Okay, you can, but now listen.
You guys are absolutely wrong. I do this all around the country, and people,
government.
they let me film in them all the time. I do it all around the country.
this is a government
And you guys
entity.
failed. You guys are the only ones not
Government
honoring your oath.
Entity.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So
why won't you
can
honor
stay
your
out
oath?
here, stay on the sidewalks, but don't go back in there, okay?
Or what?
Do you have any
What
questions?
happens if I go back in there?
You're gonna be trespassing.
What happens if I'm trespassing then?
You
What?
go to jail.
Well, what are you going to do to me if I'm in there?
What?
What am I going to do to? What are you going to do to me if I'm in there?
You're in jail? I'm not
No,
doing
if I go in the post office.
You're trespassing, so you can be charged with trespassing and be taken to jail.
Yeah.
Can I get your ID? I need some ID.
You're not
I
getting
need
my
more
ID.
ID.
You
just
Can I
got
get
gave
some
you-
ID?
No.
You just got it. Then
Okay,
we're
sir.
done.
Go back inside. Have a good day.
You guys need to kick rocks. You're dismissed. You failed to honor your oath. You're a disgrace. You make good cops look bad. Bad cops get good cops hurt. I want to get your ID still. I want to get some ID. I want some ID. Okay guys, Toledo, Ohio. Toledo police, more tyrant cops. Toledo Police Department, more tyrant cops. Fail to honor their oath. They serve the state, not we the people. Freedom lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe for the best ID Refusal First Amendment Audit FAIL YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment Audit. I'm out.